lines on me. Okay, yo. Let's get it, girl. Let's get it, girl. Hey, what's up? It's your girl Destiny the Creator here, and welcome back to my channel, guys. How are you guys doing? You guys, it is December 30th, the day before New Year's Eve. You guys, it's time for a new year. I'm so ready. 2021 is going to be wonderful. We're gonna speak it into existence. You guys, we're gonna put 2020 behind us because, baby, this year has been crazy. It's been crazy. So 2021, you guys, is a refresher, okay? It's a new start. It's a new slate. Go into this year positive, okay? I'm not gonna ramble on too much about that, you guys. Let's go ahead and get into this video. So today, you guys, I am doing a wig review on this wig here from Yolissa Hair Company, okay? So I did purchase a platinum blonde, a 613 platinum blonde. I think this is a lace front, okay? The lace front, and it is a 14-inch, 180 density, and I got a size large cap because I got a big ass head, okay? I'm gonna show you guys the inside. Go ahead and take it out for y'all, let y'all see. Okay, so I see here it has adjustable straps, as you guys can see. And I'm finishing up taking this net off, and we actually have combs also. And let me take this net off so we can see what's going on here. Okay, and I guess, yeah, I did order a body wave. So this is a body wave, I guess, because I wanted to like have some waves in it, like some curls and stuff. And to me, I feel like if you purchase straight hair and you try to like curl it and stuff, like it won't stay. So that's why I always like to get a loose wave so that I can create a curl and it can stay. Because I don't know, maybe it's coarser or something, I don't know. But this is it. Let's see. I am getting a little shedding. That's my shedding right there. But you know, I probably gotta just, you know, wash it. You know, co-wash it or something. Let's smell it. Okay, no smell. Okay, don't smell, don't smell. Okay. All right, so I'm pulling now. Yeah, it is shedding. I hope that's just, maybe I just need to co-wash it, okay? But yeah, definitely lace front wig. It's not a full lace, it's just a lace front. So that means I could put this up in a half up, half down look if I wanted to. Okay, packaging. I'm gonna give y'all packaging, it was a 10 out of 10 because since they gave me some wig caps, first of all, and they was the medium. I mean, I actually like the medium brown color, okay? Because to me, you know, I'm a brown girl, so I feel like these probably work better for me. So that's a plus right there. I'm so thankful for you guys for sending that to me. Y'all, this is a pack, you know, like a little bag you can put the wig in, and it's silk. It's so pretty. I love the color. As y'all know, or y'all probably don't know, but I love burgundy. And I think the gold accent on this is just wonderful and beautiful. I love it so much. Y'all got good taste, okay? They got good taste. Say, love your life, love Yolissa hair. I like this. I loved it. Okay. And they have a card right here. It's telling you all the information about this wig. What it say? It's pre-plugged natural hairline with adjustable straps with natural baby hair, 100% human hair lace wigs, okay? And it's just telling me everything they have. I guess for, yeah, they're just telling us what all, you know, they sell and stuff. Y'all can screenshot it if you would like. Go ahead and check them out. How to comb your wig. Tells you how to comb your wig, how to wash your wig, how to dry your wig. I love that. Okay. Take care of your lace wig. I love this. I like that. I like how they did it. Okay. And let's see. We have a elastic band. I love that you guys gave us an elastic band because I noticed a lot of people been like securing their wigs with these elastic bands like this. You know what I'm saying? You know how they be doing. Okay. This wig was actually $204. Now, usually I don't pay this much for a short wig. The lowest I'll pay for a short wig is probably like $100 and something. So I was really in a hurry and I just decided, let's just go ahead and do it, you know? So this is a 14-inch. So all in all, plus shipping, taxes, everything, this wig was $204. It's a very thick wig too. So that could be why my price was so high too. Y'all, this wig, let me tell y'all about this wig. So I ordered this wig on December 10th. And you guys, I was freaking out because my birthday is December 19th. I had my whole weekend planned out. And I'm like, oh my gosh, you know, I hit them all like, oh my gosh, when y'all gonna see my wig? You know what I'm saying? Because I need it by the 19th. And that was the following week. Like, that was absolutely, that was on my part, you know, and my fault. But they really did ship this wig out pretty fast, I feel like. Because if it takes more than 2 weeks, I feel like personally that is not a good company with good customer service. Now, if they ship it under a week, I feel like that's really good. So that was definitely on my part. I should have never ordered this wig so late. So I ordered it December 10th and I got it on December 21st, which was after my birthday weekend. Yeah, you guys, I'm so excited. Like, I just added a new wig to the collection, you guys. My wig collection is really jumping right now. Like, okay, we're gonna have about 50 wigs at the end of 2021. The next time you guys see me, I'm probably gonna be securing this wig. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know it was short, but that was my review on this Yolissa hair company hair. Now you guys will see how everything turns out once I style it, but so far so good. I mean, the shedding is kind of iffy. Yeah, you guys, so that was everything. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Make sure you guys be safe, okay? Be safe for the rest of 2020, and definitely be safe when you go out this weekend for New Year's. Enjoy yourself, drink, have a good time, celebrate the end of 2020, celebrate the end of a tragic year, and just, yeah, we're gonna do the same thing over again in 2021, okay? Period. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, period, and that's just what it is. Bye.